Sustainable manufacturing has a name, DELMIA, an information-rich solution for your continuous improvement and innovation needs, whatever the process, whatever the scale, whatever the setting. DELMIA views your production process as a seamless whole. Synchronization, monitoring, reporting, assessed and adjusted in real time to meet your targets, even as they change. From raw materials to final shipment, DELMIA turns problems into solutions, blockages into processes. DELMIA breaks down the barriers of manufacturing, transforming supply chain, production, warehousing, maintenance, and management into a single logistical process. DELMIA takes quality control off the conveyor belt and into the heart of design and development. Time-consuming, linear operations become fluid, holistic, and interactive. DELMIA gives your company unprecedented levels of control, turning millions of nodes of information into real-time actionable recommendations and decisions. Design, inventory, logistics, production, quality, shipment, no longer the steps in a process, but the process in itself. You make the decisions. DELMIA makes sure that they're the right ones. With DELMIA, all your operations from production to supervision to quality control can be automated through DELMIA's manufacturing execution system, thanks to the instantaneous flow of information. A better understanding makes for better decisions, and with DELMIA, real-time information is constant, accurate, and always available. Your company can plan for an uncertain future in the knowledge that nothing has been left to chance. DELMIA is a hyper-connected solution for a hyper-connected world. A total picture of your business and supply needs, which allows for sustainable operations with continuous improvement and refinement. Wherever production happens, whatever the challenges faced, you can adapt, respond, and perfect with DELMIA.